where does the name for Peulwys come from? So, at the top of Old Colwyn is an area of land. Peulwys gives its name to the road, gives its name to a lane, and also gives its name to a council estate on top of the hill. Now Peulwys, or Peulwys to English speakers, is actually named after this farm behind me, which was built in the 1600s. Peulwys is made of two parts. We have Pei, which comes from Middle Welsh pi, and actually comes from Latin pagus. It means an area of land, or sort of a cultivated area. And then we have Peulwys. Peulwys is like a well looked after cultivated land, so it means something like a well looked after cultivated part of land. Now this farm behind me there as well was built in the 1600s, and supposedly it was the scene of a shootout during the Civil War, and I can personally confirm this because in the fields next to it you can still find these little bits of lead shot from muskets. They've gone white with age, but they're made of lead. Anyway, deal, subscribe for more.